Hello, I hope you guys are doing well. So right now I have a very exciting news to share with you guys. So right now a hackathon is going on. As you can see, this is the hackathon, and more than around 1700 teams have already registered. So you can realize how big this hackathon is, and the prize money is 1 million USD. So this is a hackathon. You need to build a project. It can be a mobile app, iOS app, then PC app, or a website or web tool, whatever you like. But the condition is you have to use this AI tool, which name is Bolt AI, Bolt Neo. And there is other rules. You just go to view rules and read. There's so much rules. So this is about hackathon, and I'm going to participate in this hackathon with my team. And let me show you about my project. So we're going to build a simple website. It's a platform which name is Learn Exchange. So here you can learn skills, but for that you don't have to give any money. So the idea is you will learn from someone, and in exchange you will that teach a skill that you know to the other person. So it is like a exchange of take, give and take. And here is some features. The we have a home page or a landing page, then a about page, contacting page, GitHub page, and for features we have a log. In the home page, we have login button, signing button, try now button, and other features is like user profile, message system, search option, and we have feed, news feed like Facebook. So, and we will also try to add something like AI. Yeah, we will try to add AI. So this is the plan, and I hope we will able to make it. So, and if you want to participate in this hackathon, just go to what dip post, and here is the list, and just register. So, and the deadline is June 30. So we have a lot of time to complete the project. It will be very exciting.